Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, your YouTube cooking channel. As you may see, we're gonna barbecue today. So I just have a whole chicken. I forgot to start a video and I just cut it here, just like that. And now I'm gonna cut it into the half, yeah? We're gonna marinate the chicken with two different wraps, yeah? This is just the main idea of this video. So I just cut the video. I just cut the chicken into two halves, and I have some leftover of lamb marinade I just did. It doesn't really matter. It's just a little bit, and we're gonna add some yogurt. This is around 200 or 220 grams of Greek yogurt, just like that. And this is the first layer we're gonna add to our chicken, yeah? Just the half. We're gonna just kind of paint it, massage the whole chicken with our yogurt. And we're gonna do the same thing with our second half of the chicken. And just this is the main idea for this is that our rub stick to the chicken, yeah, while marinating and while cooking it. This is the first layers, just to say like that. And now very easy, we just need to marinate each one, and then we are gonna vacuum it in separate bags, and after that it's just cooking it, yeah. So if you're until here and you like the videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, of course, if you like it, and just wish you a nice day. I got nothing else to say besides that we got a bunch of videos, smoothies, salads that you may be interested in, and I hope you like it. So take care everyone and enjoy the journey.